Look at this channel, 36 videos. That's it. 3 weeks ago, one video hit 2.1 million views, 16,500 subscribers, an estimated $8,400 a month. From one channel, doing one thing, now this one, 14 videos total, 2.6 million views on a single upload. Both of these channels are only a few months old. Same formula every time. One wild animal, egg to survivor, no face, no fancy editing, just AI. So why is this blowing up right now? Because almost nobody's making this style of video yet. The niche is wide open, and I'm not just handing you the workflow. I'm giving you the exact 5-minute process I use to make the clip on your screen right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make wildlife documentaries like these from scratch using Claude AI, 100% free, unlimited, no other websites, no extra tools, nothing complicated. So let's get into it. Here's exactly how to make your first one. Alright, step 1, and this is the part everyone asks me about, so pay attention. Everything starts with one single prompt. That's it, one prompt, and Claude does the rest. Now, I'm not going to type this whole thing out on screen. Drop the word prompt in the comments below, and I'll send you the exact link. Once you've got it, copy the whole thing in. Next, open up Claude, paste the entire prompt in. And here's the easy part. You don't touch anything else. Just hit generate. That's it. Now watch what happens. Claude doesn't just start making your video. First, it hands you 10 topic ideas, pulled straight from the style of videos that are already going viral. The exact channels I showed you at the start. That's your starting point. We're going to take one of these ideas and build it into a full video from here. Okay, topic picked. Now here's where it gets good. Next step is turning that idea into actual footage, character images, environment shots, and full video clips. And for this, we're connecting Claude to Higgsfield MCP. Here's why that matters. Higgsfield gives you access to basically every top image and video model out there, all in one place. Seedream, Nano Banana, Kling, including Seedance 2.0, which is genuinely one of the most capable video models available right now. Real motion, real physics, native audio built in, all without ever leaving your Claude chat. Every new user gets a full 24 hours of unlimited Higgsfield generations through the MCP connector, inside Claude or ChatGPT. Redeem before 8 p.m. Thursday, and your 24 hours starts the moment you claim it. Setting it up takes 30 seconds. Links in the description below. Click it, then click MCP. Copy the command it gives you. Go back to Claude, click the connector icon, hit Add Connector, paste the link in, name it whatever you want, and hit Connect. That's it. Higgsfield is now live inside your Claude chat. Quick gut check before you go further. Make sure that connector is actually showing as connected in your chat. If it's not lit up green, none of the next steps will work, so double check that first. Got it? Good. Now go back into the same Claude chat where you generated your topic ideas. Copy one of those 10 topic ideas and paste it right back into the chat. Then hit generate. Claude's going to ask you one question. How long do you want the video? You can go all the way up to 20 minutes if you want, but for this example, I'm keeping it short, so I typed in 2 minutes and hit generate. Next, and this is the fun part, Claude Generate Characters prompts are going to be in your video. It writes out a full character description for you automatically. You don't have to write anything. Then it asks, ready to generate an image for this character? You just type yes. That's the whole input. Now watch. Claude starts generating each character one by one, right inside the chat. Don't touch anything, just let it run. Alright, characters are done. In this run, I ended up with an elephant and a crocodile, fully generated, ready to go. Claude's going to ask you straight up, do you approve these characters? If you're happy with all of them, just type approve and hit generate. And here's the part that actually solves the biggest problem in AI video: character consistency. Claude locks every character in place. Once they're locked, that exact same elephant, that exact same crocodile, shows up in every single scene of your video. No more characters randomly changing halfway through. Next, Claude asks if it should write the full script, matched scene by scene to the length you picked earlier. Just type next step. Claude writes out the entire script, line by line, exactly matching your video's duration. Copy the whole thing, open a fresh Google Doc, paste it in, and clean it up. Pull out anything that doesn't fit or feels off. That cleaned up script is what we're using in the next step. Script saved. Now Claude asks the big one. Should I create the images and video prompts for you? Type yes. It's going to break your whole video into batches. For me, 20 scenes total, split into batches of 5. First batch, 5 image prompts, 5 video prompts, ready to go. Here's the rhythm, and it repeats the exact same way for every batch. Claude asks, ready to generate images for batch 1? You type yes, and it generates the images for that batch. Once they're up, you approve them, then type approve, convert into video. Claude takes those exact images and turns them into video clips. Same characters, same consistency, no extra work from you. When that batch's videos are done, you just type next, and it moves straight into batch 2. Same steps, generate images, approve, convert to video, next. You repeat that loop until every single batch is done. Once Claude tells you all your videos are complete, download them one by one. There's a download button under each clip. Click it, open the link, and save it. That's it. All 20 clips, generated and downloaded without ever leaving the chat. Videos are downloaded. Now we need a voice to bring it all together. Go back to your saved script in doc, copy the whole thing. Head over to the Higgsfield website, click on the audio option, then click voiceover. Paste your script in the box. Now here's the fun part. Pick from a huge library of AI voices, whatever fits your video's vibe, and hit generate. In seconds, your entire script comes back as a clean voiceover track. One click, download it. So at this point, stop and look at what you've got. Full video clips, character consistent, 20 scenes, and a matching voiceover. All done. Link to Higgsfield's in the description if you want to grab it. Now it's time for the part that actually turns this into a finished video, editing. And let's put it all together. Now open CapCut. Click Import, pull in all your clips and your voiceover, drop them onto the timeline. Start with the voiceover track first. Lay that down as your base. Then bring your clips in one by one and line each one up so it matches exactly what the voiceover is saying at that moment. And here's the part I told you about at the start of this video, the one thing that actually separates a video that gets millions of views from one that stalls out at 300 or 10,000. It's this. It's the sync. If your clips don't match your voiceover word for word, moment for moment, the algorithm feels it, and so does the viewer. They scroll. Get the sync tight, and that's what pushes these videos to go viral. Once every clip's lined up, add your transitions, drop in a few effects, and hit export. Your finished video saves straight to your device. That's the entire process, start to finish. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
The rain has not stopped for 9 days. In this forest, the monsoon does not visit, it moves in. And through it, an old family walks, the same path their grandmothers walked, worn a meter deep into the earth. He is 5 months old. His name in this story is Taru. Everything he knows about the world, he has learned from the underside of his mother. Amma is 24. She carries a scar across her shoulder from a fence that is no longer there. She has already lost one calf. She does not let this one out of reach of her trunk. He is